Hello everybody, and in this particular video I'm gonna be taste testing both Peppermint Oreos and White Fudge Oreos. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's get started. What should I do first? White Fudge or the Peppermint Oreos? I think I'll taste test the Peppermint Oreos first. So, let's do that. I'm going to open it up. Oh, I should make me some coffee to go with them, but that's alright. Now, kind of looks like Swedish Fish Oreos, but it's not. But, because, well, let's see. Let's get a cookie out. That's the original chocolate cookie. And then, let's take a look inside. Well, it kind of, I don't know. I'm going to give this a taste and see how that turns out. I think I'll lick it first. I'm going to taste it. See how it turns out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, eat. Okay. Alright. Mmm. Mmm. Alright. Now I wish I had some coffee to go with it. But however, that is really good. That is really good. So I'll give this an A+. Yep, that's the Peppermint Oreos limited edition. Alright, all this stuff. And now I'm going to try the White Fudge Oreos. But hey, I have no doubt in my mind that's an A+. But I'll go ahead and taste that. By the way, this is pretty much a special video because it's, well, I don't know. It's more like the first video of a double taste test. So, in Oreos, anyways. Oh. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I'll give that a taste. Oh, they look really good too. Can't wait to try it. Alright, look at this. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, eat. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. Mmm. Look at that. I'm real happy. That White Fudge goodies. That is really good. There is no way I am not giving this A+. So there you are, A+. They're both A+. So both White Fudge Oreos and the Peppermint Oreos. they're both A plus. However, I love the white fudge Oreos though. I mean, I love the peppermint Oreos, but this tops it though. This tops the peppermint Oreos in my opinion. But I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see y'all next time. Alright, see y'all next time.